to my class of mobile computing. Today we will learn about synchronization. Synchronization occurs when a mobile device communicates with applications on personal computer or a server. This is often referred to simply as sync or docking. Mobile devices must have some way of loading applications, update and changes to their operating systems or settings. Even devices capable of wireless networking must have some way of loading software, if only to load what is needed to create the wireless connection in first place. We can do this by synchronizing the device operating system and application with either a desktop management program or individual applications on a personal computer. Introduction. We know that database management in mobile computing have two components: database engine and synchronizer. Generally, a mobile DBMS facilitates insertion, modification and retrieval of data from local database. It also synchronizes the change of record at databases in remote central server. Most devices use a cable, docking unit or cradle to communicate with a computer, usually through a USB port. Applications on the device can transfer and receive data from applications on the computer, so that both the computer and the device have the same information. For example, date book software or Palm device can communicate and exchange appointments with a Microsoft Outlook calendar on a Windows computer. Some devices can synchronize over the internet or wireless network. Wireless sync eliminates the need for the device to be physically connected to the computer, but it is usually slower than a direct physical connection. Data dissemination techniques describe how a server or distributed mobile computing system broadcasts data to mobile devices. Some devices can synchronize over the internet or wireless network. Wireless sync eliminates the need for the device to be physically connected to the computer, but it is usually slower than a direct physical connection. If data on a mobile device is different from the data on a computer, the computer can override the data on the device. The device can override data on the computer, or the synchronization management application can warn when there is a difference between the two, so that user can decide on how to proceed. Let us consider a PC which is associated with a mobile device, and this computer connected to the internet, which downloads applications and large file. Now consider the data at the computer is modified at some instant, the disseminated data at the server has changed at another instant. The data at mobile device is also changed at another instant. The changes take place at one of the three ends at different instants. There be a need to synchronize the data at the ends. Now the question arises, why data synchronization is so important? With the cloud quickly becoming a unprecedented supply of data, the importance of data accuracy, consistency and privacy is growing. Things that may seem like a minor data error or glitch can have a major negative impact on sales, decision making and customer retention. However, sorting through data and syncing it with existing databases, then parsing it out on a regular basis, all while maintaining data integrity, can be tedious and costly. That is why data synchronization has become one of the most valuable tools to manage data. Data synchronization is the ongoing process of synchronizing data between two or more devices and updating changes automatically between them to maintain consistency within the system. While the sheer quantity of data afforded by the cloud presents challenges, it also provides the perfect solution for big data. Today's data solution offer quick and easy tool to bypass monotonous tasks, resulting in data in harmony throughout the system. Data synchronization ensures accurate, secure, compliant data and successful team and customer experience. It assures congruence between each source of data and its different endpoint. As data comes in, it is cleaned, checked for errors, duplication and consistency before being put to use. Local synchronization involves devices and computers that are next to each other, while remote synchronization takes place over a mobile network. Data must always be consistent throughout the data record. If data is modified in any way, changes must upgrade through every stream in real time to avoid mistakes, prevent privacy breaches, and ensures that the most up-to-date data is the only information available. Data synchronization ensures that all records are consistent all the time. The importance of data synchronization grows in steps with increased accessibility to cloud-based data as well as access to mobile devices. Mobile devices use data for basic operation as well as personal information for apps, website and email. Updates to information generated by the user as well as the end target must be constant and secure. The synchronization process requires clean, consistent data for products and service competence, but also for data governance issues like security, and regulatory compliance. Synchronization. Data disseminated and replicated at remote stations may occur in number of ways. Data replication may be done by copying the data from one place to another place, or copying the data from one place to many other places, or copying the data from many other places to many other places. These are various types of data replication. For example, music files are copied into iPods, iPhone, and to several devices. The replicated data may be full copy or a partial copy. Data conflicts can result in errors and low quality, which consequently leads to lack of trusted data down the line. With data synchronization properly implemented throughout a system, a business will see performance improvement in many areas, including logistics and transportation, sales team productivity, order management, involve accuracy, business systems, cost efficiency, reputation management. Data accessibility and error resolution afford time saving, allowing emphasis to be put on important business development processes like marketing, new product development, and strategic decision making. Virtually everyone benefits from clean or sync data. Data accessibility and error solution afford time saving, allowing emphasis to be put on important business development processes like marketing, new product development, and strategic decision making. Virtually everyone benefits from clean and sync data. Customer receives product information and service that meets their specific needs. Business users can interact with all department members using up-to-date information in real time, even globally. Executives receive the latest data when making important strategy decisions. Stockholders can easily stay on top of their business interest. Manufacturers access the most recent updates or changes for accurate design and production. Distributors have access to the most recent product and marketing information. This is the diagram of mobile service provider or nearby local computer or device connected to wireless or wired media. There is a mobile device and down link. Then data copy sent from a system to another system. Device specific platform, OS, and data format. Replication from a data source to device. This is the diagram. And replication from data source to many devices. Mobile client devices, there are different devices from 1 to J, and this is client server or data server connected through wireless or wired network. and this is data copy sent to many devices. Again, device specific platform, OS and data format. So we can see that there are two types. One is replication from data source to device. Another is replication from data source to many devices. There are few types of data synchronization methods. Version control and file synchronization tools can make changes to more than one copy of file at a time. The other two, distributed and mirrors, have more specific uses. File synchronization is faster and more error proof than a manual copy technique. This method is mostly used for home backups, external hard disk, or updating portable data via flash drive. File synchronization ensures that two or more locations share the same data, occurs automatically, and prevents duplication of identical data. In version control technique, it aims to providing synchronizing solutions for files that can be altered by more than one users at the same time. Then for distributed file system, when multiple file versions must be synced at the same time on different devices, those devices must always be connected for the distributed file system to work. A few of these systems allow devices to disconnect for short periods of time, as long as data reconciliation is implemented before synchronization. Mirror computing is used to provide different sources with an exact copy of data set. Specially useful for backup, mirror computing provides an exact copy of just one other location, source to target. Again, it is diagrammatic representation, data replication among many data source and devices in peer-to-peer architecture. Mobile computing system on device 1 and mobile computing system on device 2. In both of these devices, the facility of uplink and downlink is available, and this is mobile service provider. System specific platform, OS and data formats on each system. Data sent between the system to peer architecture. Organizing the business data sounds like a simple task, but if we consider the different system in single business like CRM, product management, employee portal, customer support, billing and invoicing, multiple user enlist data from the cloud or different applications while maintaining security and integrity. The process can become a time and cost burden at best, a nightmare at its worst. And what are the kind of challenges associated with data synchronization? Security and confidentiality are two negotiable governance issues that businesses must carefully manage. How data moves through the system needs to meet certain regulatory standards as they relate to specific industries as well as to privacy laws. unique system have different policy and access requirement. The data encryption method must be compliant and consistent within each system. A synchronization tool ensures that changes made to the data are updated in a manner that meets the standard set by the specific security needs. Data breach or leaks, problem with trade licenses or government regulation, and reputation loss are just a few of the negative consequences of a system that doesn't work. All of these effects typically lead to loss of customers and revenue. Now, this is a type of replication, full copy replication. It means that the full set of data records replicates according to certain domain specific data format rules at the replicating devices or systems. A server having a set of 8 images with resolution 640 into 640 pixels in the domain of a mobile device. It can replicate and hoard with 160 into 160 pixels when all 8 images copied through with the different resolution. Then it is known as full copy replication. Another is partial copy replication. A subset of data set copied according to certain domain specific rule at the devices or system. Partial replication should have consistency and do discrepancy and all basic features of original data. Generally, data replication precedes data synchronization. The synchronization refers to maintaining data consistency among the disseminated or distributed data. Data consistency means if there is data modification at the server, then the modification should reflect in the data within the device within a defined period. There are two ways of synchronization. One-to-many synchronization. We know that each system stores the data either pushed from the server or by sending the request. This type of synchronization is occurred in the client server architecture. Here the server maintains a synchronization server. It may separate accounts of different users for that data. The synchronization server synchronizes the data and disseminates the copies to each and every client. What follows is a range of vendor solutions available in the market today to illustrate the disparate approaches and spread of solution. Their general concept of data synchronization provide for a readily available networked web-based repository of key information that can be accessed simply from any web or browser-based connection. Data such as calendars, address books, emails, to-do list, and so on can be accessed on the move and, more importantly, kept up to date and synchronized with integrity by this technique. The leading vendors in this space are aggressively moving towards a server-centric web-based model for synchronization of personal digital assistants, PDAs, and other mobile devices. Various vendors offer the availability to connect from anywhere over personal area network, local area network, and wide area network. A range of functions are supported. Very few suppliers spanning the full range of sample functions across fixed mobile and wireless device follows. It supports a wide variety of mobile devices and platform and provide customer content by addressing a broad range of applications including messaging and group scheduling solutions, online or offline web servers, and commercial applications that provide access to mission critical databases, including interfacing with the proprietary mechanism these database managed system might have for managing distributed LAN data. Another technique is many-to-many synchronization. Here, the synchronization system have peer-to-peer architecture. In this architecture, each system is capable of pushing the data to other system as well as getting the data by sending pull requests. Synchronization within mobile computing comes under the many-to-many synchronization and is categorized into 5 areas. Synchronization in mobile computing systems, usage model for synchronization in mobile computing environment, domain dependent specific rules for synchronization, conflict synchronization strategies, and the use of synchronizer are some of the challenges which are faced by data synchronization techniques. Synchronization in mobile computing systems. Many mobile applications are data centric and are designed to replace pocket atlases, dictionaries, and references as well as create new digital pocket reference for data that changes dynamically by leveraging technologies that did not exist in these form factors. Our focus is solely on patterns related to data synchronization, which involves ensuring consistency among data from a mobile source device to a target data storage device. With some data sets, such as with Google Map, it is impossible to store all the data the application can leverage on the device, so specific strategies must be employed to synchronize the necessary data with other data sets such as stock prices, mobile application that allow users to manage their portfolios are useless or misleading without the most recent data. So strategies must be employed to ensure users only see the most recent data. Data synchronization is defined as the process of maintaining the availability of data generated from the source and maintaining consistency between the copies pushed from the source and local cached or hoarded data at different computing system without discrepancies or conflicts among the distributed data. A consistent copy of data is a copy which may not be identical to the present data record at the data generating source, but must satisfy all the required function and domain dependent specific rules. The domain specific rules are in terms of resolution, precision, data format, and time interval permitted for replication. A consistent copy should not be in conflict with the data at the data generating source. Data generating source for synchronization may be a server, distributed mobile computing system, information and new subscriptions for the services required by the source device. Data synchronization helps mobile users in accessing data and using it for computing on mobile devices. When a device not connected to a source or server, the user may employ data that is not in conflict with the present state of data at the source. Synchronization also helps mobile users in holding the data at the personal area computers and vice versa. Thank you for watching.